Well, hiya. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kai Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Zeelool. They were kind enough to send me some more glasses and sunglasses to review for you guys. I will also be giving you guys the details on my hair because, you know, look at me. Wait, God told me to settle down. Look at that, real quick. Be confident, not cocky. I got it. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, all these glasses come to us from Zeelool. They do offer trendy and affordable prescription and non-prescription glasses for the entire family. So whatever you're looking for, you should be able to find it on Zeelool. Now, if you're not new to my channel, you already know how I feel about Zeelool, okay? They get me together, okay? Here. But if you're new to my channel, I do have an entire playlist that I will link down below in the description box so you can check out all the glasses that I have featured for this brand. I don't wear these joints for fun, okay? Even though you can just get the frames and try to be cute and trendy, I need to see, okay? So I wear these joints in real life, you hear me? Now, as usual, all the glasses do come protected in their carrying case. You also get a microfiber cloth so you can wipe off that mosquito dust. If you wear glasses all day, you know what I'm talking about, okay? The glasses also have a protective plastic over the lens so you don't have to worry about any type of scratches during shipping, so that's always good to go. You also get a PD ruler with your glasses. If you are someone who needs a prescription filled in their glasses, you will need to know your PD and your prescription prior to ordering your glasses online. If you just want to get the frames with no prescription, you can definitely go ahead and do that. Now, my prescription on this side is between like $45 and $60, I think, depending on if I get the blue light blocker or not. Y'all, that's affordable, okay? Because I'm tired of spending $200, $300, $500 on some glasses that my kids may break. Okay, listen, I don't got money to waste unless it's wigs, you know. Yeah. Now, before we get into the glasses, they also sent me a new carrying case. This is all cute and high quality. Oh, okay. So you just kind of stick them in there like that. Okay. So when I travel somewhere, I don't gotta carry a bunch of these cases that may not be protected when I put them in my luggage. I can put them in this and then wrap them joints on up and be good to go. If I want to carry them around, I got a little strap. I don't think that's for carrying around. I think that's for hanging on the wall. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Oh, that's cute and high quality. I'm liking that. All right, look at that. Okay, and how much is that? That's about $26 for this joint. Okay, and it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of glasses. So if you guys want to check this out with the glasses, that will also be linked down below. Now, I do have a coupon code KAI10 that you can use at any time. However, they also have sales on their site that may be a little bit more than my discounts. Okay, so shop around, do what you gotta do, save your coin, and you know, let's press. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into some glasses, shall we? Because I'm excited. Okay, so first up we have the Brewer Cat Eye Tortoise glasses, and they retail for $12.95. Okay, let's see. Ooh, my hair look good. I'm feeling Brewer. Okay, Brewer, listen. Is that camouflage? What is that? What's that on the glasses? What's that, huh? Cat Eye Tortoise, okay. Has a little hint of green, don't it? Is that just me? Or like a green, like a yellow? Maybe it's me, I don't know. I don't know if they put the blue light blocker on these ones. Look at the light, yeah, it's like a green tint. Okay, so maybe they did. Hello, like my girl Shannon said, these are cute. Okay, Now these are big, but because they do have the cat eye look up in here, it gives me the look that I like. Y'all know I love the cat eye look on me. It gives me that lift in my face. I'm just here for it, y'all. And these, I'm here for these. These are cute. Okay, next up we have the Alfred Butterfly Gray glasses, and they retail for $7. Okay, these kind of match my little outfit. Let's see. Okay. I feel like I have these ones. Do I have these ones? Alfred does sound familiar. Maybe in a different color. They have the butterfly glasses, so they are similar to my favorite glasses from them, which is the Isabella butterfly frames. My red frames, I love those. And these are cute. Wait a minute. These look good. Okay, I ain't gonna hold you because I got things to do. People need to see me. You hear me? Yes, they do. They do. These are comfortable. They're lightweight. I wasn't really sure about the color on me, but I think because of the hair and the outfit, it pulls it together. I don't know what to do with my hands. Yeah, but they look good. Let me put my hands down here. They look good, y'all. I like these. What y'all think? Wait, these are $7? $7 for these joints, y'all. Listen, you better catch them sales. Okay, you better catch them all. You hear me? Yes. These are the Sealy Geometrical Orange glasses, and they retail for $12.95. Okay, I don't know about these ones, Zeelool. I don't know. Let's see. Let me see. Ooh. Sealy? Come on, Zeelool. Let's go. I like the sparkle sparkly situation. That's cute. I like the color combo. I think naturally because my under eyes kind of droop down, that's why I'm just not really feeling this little hang time down here, because it kind of just accentuates, you know, the droopage that I already have. And I don't lift, okay, lift Zeelool. That's what I like for myself. They're not horrible. Will I wear them again? I probably will. Certain hair, okay, certain hair I will probably rock these ones. What you think about these ones on me? Let me know down below what y'all think about these ones. Up next, we have the Ferris Square red glasses, and they retail for $7. Bueller. I feel like any red glasses I'm gonna like on me, just because, again, my Isabella butterfly frames are in red. I just like how these look. These are more like the acrylic red, so you know it has like that see-through look, but these are cute too. Okay, are these butterfly shape? What are these? These are considered square. Okay, are they square? I mean, I guess so. I mean, they have like a little teeny, maybe not. All these are comfortable on my face. None of them are like hugging my nose or tight around the armbands. Like, I'm here for these, y'all. Is Zeelool hitting with the 1-2 punch? Am I liking all these? I mean, Sealy is questionable. Ferris is making up for Sealy. Okay, These are the Grizel Cat Eye Brown glasses, and they retail for $20.95. Grizel sounds a little mean. I don't know if I like that name, but I do like these glasses though. Zeelool, have you been listening to me? These are cute too. This little detail up there, I'm liking that, y'all. Ooh, she fancy. Are these my favorite? I don't know. Has a little teeny swoop with the arm. Y'all see it? Kind of has like a little wave situation going on. Okay. I'm not mad at you. Okay. And all these fit my eyelashes. Okay, nothing is pressed up against my eyelashes. Thank you. Up next, we have the Martine Square black glasses, and they retail for $18.95. The black ones are out of stock, but the red ones are available. Martine sounds like a drink. Hold on for a second. Thank you. Okay, Martine. Okay, Martine. Okay, Martine. These are cute too. I think we 6 for 6, 5.5 for 6. Is that blue or black? They black, okay. But these ones are out of stock, so they got the red ones. So y'all know the red one's gonna be cute. The red be hitting on me, I know it's gonna hit on you. Got the little detail over here with the armband. I like that. Look, I know you see me. Hello. These are the Chanel Cat Eye Tortoise glasses, and they retail for $18.95. The red and the brown are available. Chanel? Is that how you say that? Chanel. Another cute one. I mean, I deserve this. Because Zeelool, they be trying me sometimes, and they be sending me some, I be ready to throw hands. I'm gonna have a hard time choosing which one I like the most. I mean, I think we all know which one is last. Is that tortoise shell too? Cat eye and tortoise, okay. The gold detailing seems to be like the thing to do right now, and I like that, y'all. These look cute. Okay, Chanel, is that how you say that? Chanel? Don't get me lying. Okay, now before we get into these sunglasses, let me go ahead and give you guys the install and the specs of this unit really quick. So if you want to check it out for yourself, you definitely can do that, okay? Because let me tell you, she under $20 and she easy to style. Listen, get the looks, okay? Get the looks. Let's go.
If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town.
Okay, what I tell y'all, lemon squeezy Kai made it easy. Get the looks. Get the looks. But let's go ahead and get into some glasses, shall we? Because I'm nervous. Okay, I'm nervous about this. Okay, so now we got some sunglasses. These are the Brandon Square Green Pink glasses, and they retail for $25.95. I think these have prescription in them too. Wait a minute. Oh, Gerald. Oh, she bougie, listen. Now I also have these ones in just the regular prescription glasses, and I wasn't really a fan of them. They wasn't really hitting on me, but as the sunglasses, they may do a little something. They look a little tilt in for me. I don't know if that's just me or how my eyes are adjusting to the sunglasses, but I'm liking that I have prescription sunglasses now. Listen, okay, I can do this. I can do this. Oh, yes. Has a big armband, has a big frame. Like, it's gonna take some strength to break these joints. Okay, so kids, watch out. Mama may not be able to see in the house. Can you see my eyes moving? No? I can't stand when the shades are like not as dark so you can see people's eyes through the sunglasses, because I'm just staring at you like this. Let me people watch in peace, okay? Let me look like I'm sleeping, okay? Like this. Then take my glasses down, I'm like this. Okay, listen. And last but not least, we have the Doris round black glasses, and they retail for $7. Okay, we got Doris and sunglasses. Wait a minute, am I ready? Okay, Doris, let's go ahead and get into her. Okay, let's see, let's see. Ooh, these are clear, these are clear. Oh, wait a minute. Did it look cute on me, y'all? Am I seeing stuff? I have the prescription frames as well, and those are kind of hit and miss for me depending on how I style my hair, but oh yeah. These are cute on me. Listen, let me go ahead and head out. See y'all later. Kenny, do I need a sneaky link? I definitely like these more in the sunglass version than I do the prescription glasses. Okay, y'all, that was fun. That was fun. Now down to business. Which ones are your favorite? I just picked these ones right on up. Let me see. I think these are my favorite. I think these ones are my favorite out of the bunch. Y'all tell me down below. Zeelool, you got me together today, and I'm... Thank you, okay? Thank you, Zeelool, we appreciate it. Even Celie had a little bit of cuteness inside of her little frame, okay? So again, tell me down below which ones are your favorite. Shout out to Zeelool for sending me all these frames. I really appreciate it. I will put a direct link for all the glasses plus the carrying box and my coupon code down below, so you guys wanna check it out, you can. As far as the hair is concerned, I will put a direct link down below, so you guys wanna check it out, you can. This is not the softest hair, but it definitely gives the look, and it's still wearable. If you guys wanna see the lace part version of this unit, I will link it down below so you guys can check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.